Hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce you for my project, which is and my team name is Hangover for. I'm from Triple B section and from Tyagaraja College of Engineering. So today what we are going to discuss about in this PPT is the main thing which is going on in our society is women's empowerment. Like men and girls are being harassed by people in the public, they feel some uncomfortable feelings while they're walking in the while they're walking in public places. For these safety measures we are for their safety measures we have undertaken this project, and have done a shocking suit dress, in which mm, see this how our product looks like in for a prototype model. So there will be a battery connected to it, and it will produce a sort of light shocking shock in which from which everyone will be a bit they'll get a bit shocking shock from sparking shock from their dress, and it will be effective for the women who are having such uncomfortable feeling during the places while traveling in bus or in train or anywhere like that. So this is how our project works, and let me explain to you. So this is how our project works, and next mm, so this is a circuit diagram of our project, and here you can see uh, it's our sort of sort of circuit, and here we have connected a 4 volt, and from here it will be going the circuit will be going to and here the capacitor of 0.2 to 0.2 to nu f capacitor has been connected with the parallel of a resistor of 1.2 kilowatts ohms, and from here it will be a step up transformer, and from there um, again the current will passing to a 100 100 picofarad 100 picofarad capacitor, and again the one and gate will be coming, and that's of 1 and 4007. Here again the current will be passing, and it will be like dot of I and 4007. Okay, so this is how our project looks, and the components which we have used in the first model is resistor of 1.2 kilo ohms, as I mentioned that it is 2, and capacitor of 0.22 new farad, and 100 picofarad and 2200 picofarad, which is of 3 and 1, and a DC supply of 4 volts, and which is of quantity 1, and transistor of 13 1351 which is 1, and the diode which is named IN 4007 of 7 step up transformer with highly frequency and LED bulb. Mm, so this is a prototype model too, which is made up of some copper fragments, and copper fragments, and thin sheets which will be made, and you can go through the video so that it will be very easy for you to understand this thing. mm, See, here is attaching the components of thin fragments of copper sheets, and the copper fillings by doing the soldering method. He's attaching to the dresses, and it will be attached to the dress by the plastic glue gun, and it will be attached to the dress. Okay. Next, after that, we'll be connecting the circuit to it, and we'll be connecting the battery. If in case it will be happening, he will be getting the shocks from it. Okay. And for this the circuit diagram goes on like this. Here the copper framing, and which will be connected to the 6.5 volt battery. And it will be light it is 6.4 volt. It will be lightweight, and it will be rechargeable. For rechargeable again a thin copper filming and 6.5 connected with the wires. Okay. Next again, so this is the continuation, and this is the second third last prototype of our model, from which you can see that how we are connecting the circuits to the how we are, sorry for the background disturbances noise which is connected. So this is the prototype model 3, in which you can hear the, so in which if you have some uncomfortable feeling, like if the ladies have the uncomfortable feeling customer, then if you the press the button, then it will be giving some sensors or some heat rating from current electric radiations from it. And this is how the model looks like. And here we have kind of 3 volt 3 volt battery circuit, and which will be connected to the beeper sensor here, and it will be in the buzzer will be in that address. The components which are used here are variable resistor of 15 kilo ohms and 1 mega ohms and 22 kilo ohms, which are single, and a diode of 1 and 4 Z001, which is one, and DC supply of 3 volts, which is one, and op amp of 1 point op amp of IC LM 358 of 1. So this is all about our project. So the main purpose of doing project is for the main safety and security of women, where they are getting harassed in the public place, which they cannot be exposed for the other people, and they are very helpless during that time. This our dress, our prototype, our model will be useful for them. Thank you.